I did it! Woo! Woo!
Nice one, sir!
Nice one! I finished my talk for Power Mac. It was super dope. The guys have been fixing my stand-up paddleboards. Huh? Have they fixed it? Coming down? Okay. Woo! It's actually fiesta. It's fiesta here today in San Antonio, but obviously it's a toned down fiesta because it's COVID, so. But the guys have been filming the other guys fixing the stand-up paddleboards, and I'm super stoked on it. Check it out. Wow, Anthony. What is this?
Repair.
What's he putting?
Resin. Fiber.
Where's the...
There's your UPO.
Oh, dope. Remember when I flew out of a truck? And then almost halaka. What the heck? What the heck? It's a work day.
And I've called a priest, and I've called upon the highest of my dreams, and I go to sleep. I let them in. I'm holding on to you. Oh, and the wind has turned. The raging fires come to heal, to burn what's in our way.
Yes! Things are going down. Mano Alex is here, engineer's back, and you are gonna see a whole bunch of stuff happening here now. It is work, 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 work. Starting with, bro,
Platform.
what's happening?
This is the platform.
We are going across, aren't we?
London
Yeah.
Bridge.
London Bridge. We're doing a London Bridge. London Bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's that?
Walk like a duck.
Walk like a duck? Can you show us? How do you walk like a duck?
No.
Underneath.
If there's over the bridge, there's under the bridge.
If there's over the bridge, there's under the bridge. Bridge is going down. Woo! Meanwhile, over here, our other friends from town are rocking some Hawaiian. What's up, guys? Woo! Just gonna. Nice one. Nice one. Because we are also building a corral this fence. A lot is going down. It's gonna be a good day. Woo! Are you putting deodorant on?
Yes.
Yes. To smell good before you work. Oh, Kili Kili. That's Kili, right?
Ilok.
Oh, Ilok. Sorry, not Kili. What's Kili?
Bisaya to din eh.
What?
Ilok gyapon.
Oh no, Kili is Tagalog.
Tagalog.
So
Ilok.
in Tagalog, this your armpit, it's Kili.
Kili,
Pero
kili.
in Bisaya,
Ilok.
Ilok. Ilok. Why did you smell your Ilok?
Kumot.
Kumot.
Checking if it's sumot.
Ocean breeze, no?
Oh, smell your ilok.
Smell your ilok, be.
Try that also.
Maybe it's sour. It's
suka,
sour.
suka, suka.
It's sour. Suka na.
Bongso ka. Ligo, Brad.
Unsa man ni?
Unsa man ni? Okay lang. Uy, okay. Okay.
Hello.
What is it?
We actually, he gave this to me a second ago, but I reenacted it. We reenacted it. What? What's that? Scripted. That was a scripted moment, bro. Dude, I'm walking across the. Am I allowed to? Yeah. It's all good. What's up?
Scripted.
Because I wanted to show everybody my new thing later. I hope
that?
from the it's a thing to
Lambok?
Lamok thing.
The what? That's one, the bitay?
Oh, the big one.
Bitay?
Let's open it up.
Bitay?
Wanna open it?
Ah,
Let's
dili
see.
ko na yan,
No. It's like a pop-up, I think.
Musti square.
What's Mystic Quill?
Oh, klaro no, square.
Kaya dili man circle.
Not circle, it's square.
Pag circle, musti circle.
So, Musty Square.
Oh.
If you want triangle, musti triangle. If you
I
want
got-
musti pentagon.
Octagon. Anything you want.
Dude, you-
Order from Lazada now.
Musti circle.
Order from Lazada now. Or Shopee, you want Shopee.
I'm trying not to laugh. I don't want to cave into your humor. What do you have? What is this?
Hershey syrup.
Eating.
I got a giant bug net. It's not.
Square bite?
It's just a square. That's so funny.
Now it's musti circle. But when you open, it's musti square. Klaro na?
From circle to square.
Oh, yata. It has a bed, brado. Musti square and a bed.
With bed package.
Wow! With bed package.
Can you see how the bamboo has kind of been shredded apart a tiny bit? Here in Bisaya we call that sasa, which is, yeah, basically pulling apart. The guys are taking a few of these pieces and are doing just that because we're going to use these sasa for kind of aesthetics. I'll show you an example in a sec. Meantime, most of these pieces of bamboo will be turned into giant poles for a fence. Like this. Check this out. Whoa, 1 second. Here, I'll show you some sasa. Right there. Bread. Amigas? You got amigas? Hala! They're gonna sasa your ti'io bread. Sasa. Are they gonna dig that one up too now? What to do? That's dope. This is probably gonna be done in a day, isn't it? Maybe? I don't know. Gen D's nodding. I think they're gonna finish this today.
Yeah.
Yeah?
This one?
Really? Engineer Kim Poi says so. So now if he doesn't, we're gonna shame him on YouTube. Don't ever shame on YouTube. Don't ever use social media to shame. Use it to bring each other up and be positive.
Giveaway.
Go Manong Alex! Woo!
Lunchtime.
Here we go. Before the bridge is done walk. Woo! Oh, must be a special day. Do you know why? Because Jundi cooked baka. And that baka is called luya. No, luya is ginger. It's ginger. Luya is ginger.
What's the baka?
Loy? Loy means like miserable, right? But what do you say? How do you say it again?
La uya.
La uya. Sorry, I'm really confused. Ginger, miserable, you know. Diba? That's fair. Say again? Where? Boho? La Uja. Oh yeah, because you replace everything with J. What's the name of these again? There's a name. Baja. What's the name of these ones? I should know. I forgot.
Yes.
We'll just call them Prito.
Pinirito isda.
Huh?
Pinirito isda.
Pinirito isda, but I can't remember the name of the fish. They're good for Prito. Oh, and the best from Ate Jen.
Here.
Oh, can you open it?
It's called La Uja nga Baja.
Mango float. Yeah, but what? Wait, what?
Wala nun, La Uja nga Baja.
La Uja na Baja?
Not bakay ko.
Dude. Back to your paperwork, boys.
Break time, lunch break. Lunch break.
Lunch break, holiday. I've been waiting for this moment. I've been waiting. Jandi, this is for you, bro. You ready? These fish.
Scripted.
This is scripted. I just ate one before. I just chowed one before.
For the vlog.
It's not for the vlog. No, I mean it's for the vlog because I'm going to explain that the fish heads are really good when they're fried, and that's something I've learned to appreciate here in the Philippines. But only the mini ones, only like bulad or this kind of things. Like what's this? I can't remember. I should remember.
Swasi.
This one? I know what they call this one. Guess what? Good fish.
Oh, yeah, ganahan siya kaon ba?
Scripted again.
Oh. Scripted.
Scripted.
Inunan to deep fry.
I didn't notice. He in and unan the fish first and then deep fried them. That's why they're super good. But he told me to say that. It's scripted.
Kabalos bay? Kabalos na.
Clever na. Cemento tanan, no? No way, okay. Manong Alex has told me he's gonna cement each hole here for stability of our walkover bridge. Ganahan tabo. Cabo. The vest. And that is why you would have seen him moving a cement bag here because he's making it. So we now have a cement volcano, and I love once again how everybody uses the cabo, Bisaya, or tabo. This is good practice for slacklining, slack kawaiining. The guys have moved to find shade. They're working hard. They've made a whole lot of sasa. You can almost make a bed. It's almost like a banig. Now, you might be wondering, what are we doing with that? Well, one thing about kind of creating you know, a unique place and kind of going with the flow a little bit is we also run into problems. So yeah, in this case, if you look closely, you might not be able to see it, but this section here of a makan, it seems to be coming out and bulging. We think it's something to do with the heat and the concrete base. We're not sure, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out the samakan and we're gonna put in the sasa, because it seems to be a bit stronger and more stable. Again, this looks like it's kind of bulging a bit. We're not sure 100% why, but we think it's the concrete base. So again, it's part of the fun, you know? Sure, you know, we paid for the amakan and you know, we gotta take it off and whatnot, but that's how it goes. And in the end, it's kind of fun just to adapt and make new things. So the sasa is going there. The guys are laying out the wood here. And Madman is doing something at the front over here. He's on landscaping. It was a cool idea at first. You know, these lower railings, we could sit with our legs and hang on them, but realistically, it was too dangerous and not a good idea in the end. We are finally about to replace them, and you might notice, remember how I talked about with bamboo, it has to be treated correctly or else it's gonna get bok. We got bok up here as well. These little holes, some sort of insect is eating the kawayan, and yeah, I can let you guys know that we're actually going to be building wooden railings over the next couple weeks. The guys will start soon. First they're going to finish the bridge down there, which I think they'll do today. I'm not going to show you it today. I'll show you it when it's done, maybe tomorrow. You can hear them working on the wood. That's the planer. Oh, the planer. In the meantime, if you can still hear me, check out the hammock. It's 10 feet long. It can carry up to 375 pounds. Has rated carabiners and daisy chains. If you'd like to buy them, they're available again at Villajero Outdoor Center, which is my local community store. Not mine. I have nothing to do with it. It's just my friend's local community outdoor shop. And if you buy these things, it supports them. So they have some available now. They're really comfortable. I'm gonna try and go for a run because my doctor said I could.